Make sure to send till the end. One component must be replaced every time you replace or remove camshaft position actuator. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you guys have one of those and you're trying to find where camshaft position actuator A is located, bank 1, we will explain that in this video today. We'll explain how to remove it, how to replace it, one component that you should always replace when you remove the camshaft position actuator, and if you have problems with it, we will explain even how you can test it. All that will be covered in this video today guys. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that dot charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have here, 2018 Dodge Charger engine 3.6 guys. This is the engine right here, 3.6 VVTi. So now let's talk about camshaft position actuator A, bank 1. So we're going to remove, let's go ahead and remove that intake hose right here and the cover. On top we have everything pretty loose, and if you want to see how to do that, stay with us. We're going to go ahead, remove them, and then we'll continue with the next step. So once we remove the intake hose guys, what do we have specifically here? You see how we did that? This is cylinder head number 1, this is cylinder head number 2, this is known as bank 1, this is known as bank 2. On each cylinder head you have 2 camshaft position actuators because you have dual variable timing. It means that the engine guys has dual variable timing. The timing can be advanced or retarded on the intake and the exhaust camshafts. But how do you know which one of those is camshaft position sensor A, bank 1? So we figured out cylinder head number 1 is on the left side, number 2 is on the right, so bank 1 is this one. Now if you think how the engine works, it first gets air and fuel through the intake manifold, and then it goes through the exhaust once it burns. So the first sensor that we have here will be camshaft position actuator A. It will be this one right here, also known as camshaft position actuator 1. So you press right here, okay, that connector, it's a common mistake we see here now. If you have oil leaks, this is a bad gasket here, or a valve cover gasket. Sometimes it can get to the connector itself. If the connector has oil inside, that could be your problem. Sometimes it could be internal leak, okay, in the camshaft position actuator. So grab that connector, push down, put that thing on the back, push it, and pull it out without pulling on the wires. If you grab the wires, you can pull them out of the connectors, and later they may not communicate, and that's your problem. Now Torx 25 start looking bit right there. That's what we'll be getting. We'll need to go ahead and remove these 3 bolts. We'll pre-loosen them and we'll go ahead and start removing them. If you have problems with the variable timing, it could be something guys, okay, completely different causing that trouble. It could be dirty oil passages, and if you use engine flush on oil changes, that can clean the engine, the passages, and that can heal your problem, because you have the variable timing sprocket. It's a big sprocket on the inside that has multiple oil passages in the camshafts as well, and that thing can fix that often. We used it on BMWs and other cars, Mercedes, and it's a miracle additive guys. I love that thing. So another thing, if you have the wrong type of engine oil, if you have the wrong type of oil filter or old engine oil, or not enough oil, can cause problems with the variable timing as well. We're going to pull this one, okay, right there, and we're going to remove the gasket here as well. You can see that gasket needs to be removed and replaced every time you replace the camshaft position actuator, because it will be flattened, it will be hard, it will not seal. And always make sure that you put a new gasket. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get new gasket for. Now something else guys, if you have any other questions about that charger, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. When we have time, we'll try to make video, okay, for your specific problem. That way we can help you we can help other people with that problem. We can build a community where we help each other and we save money together. That's our main goal of that channel, guys, to save you as much money as we can and help you learn how to fix your car on your own. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.